Please sit in please sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Back straight, head neck in a single line. Adapt chin mudra. Place them on your respective knees. And slowly and gently close your eyes. And focus on your breath. Follow your incoming and outgoing breath. Feel the coldness of incoming air or incoming breath at the tip of your nostril. Keep following your incoming breath. Further, you can feel the coldness of your inhaled air at your throat. Follow how the inhaled air is entering into our lungs. Now, follow your exhaled air. The air we are exhaling is little warm in nature. We can feel the warmth of exhaled air just above our upper lips. Keep following your incoming and outgoing breath. If you keep following, automatically the length of your incoming breath and outgoing breath will be increased. Focus on the gap between incoming and outgoing breath. Further, automatically this gap will be widened. Observe this gap. Imagine an ocean of silence with all the waves of Omkara in it. Now imagine that all the waves of Omkara are merging together and emerging a single one Omkara and becoming audible within you. Inhale deeply, chant one round of Omkara. Join your both the palms together, add Namaskar Mudra. We are going to chant the opening prayer. Inhale. Om Sangathatvam Sangatatvam Sambho Manasi Janatam Deva Bhagam Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Sanjanana Upasate. Slowly release your Namaskar Mudra, palm back to the knees. Now gently open your eyes. Okay, so today basically we will focus on our muscles of our lower body. So how to strengthen our leg muscles, thigh muscles. We will focus on some yogic practices to strengthen our muscles of our lower body. So first, to remove the laziness or stiffness from our body, we will start this session with Kapalbhati and Bhastrika. So sit straight, back straight, head neck in a single line. With every forceful exhalation, our stomach will go inside. People who are having high blood pressure, please do Kapalbhati very slowly. Means 1 stroke per second. Even 1 stroke per 2 seconds also you can do. People who are having neck pain, severe back pain, hernia, please avoid. If you are having cardiac issue, any heart related issue, please avoid Kapalbhati. Rest you can do. We can start. After 50 stroke, you can stop practicing. Observe your breath. Your breath will be ceased for a few seconds automatically. Observe the state of your breath. Observe the state of your mind. You can start breathing once your breathing process starts automatically or normally. The Kapalbhati basically it comes under Shatkriya. It cleanses our respiratory tract. That's why we have started Kapalbhati. Now the next practice is Bhastrika. So make a loose fist with thumb inside. Now raise your fist up to your shoulder level. With every inhalation and exhalation, we jerk. During inhalation, we will raise both the hands above our head. And with exhalation, with jerking movement, we will bring them down. We will bring our elbows down. Elbows will be by the side of our rib cage. So 20 strokes we will be doing. Start. Again, the limitations. People who are having neck pain, severe back pain, hernia, especially cardiac issue, please avoid. Don't do Bhastrika. If you are having high blood pressure, avoid. If you are having high blood pressure, avoid. Rest you can do. After 20 stroke, please stop practicing. Now observe the effect of Bhastrika. You can clearly feel the effect of Bhastrika in your facial region, in your shoulder, in your arms, chest, abdomen, in your back, everywhere you can feel the effect of Bhastrika. Observe that the stiffness of your body, the laziness of your body is being gone away. Observe your breath also. Just observe whether there is any changes in your breath. Okay, now prepare yourself for the next practices. Okay, the next practices we'll be doing the Griva Shakti Vikasa we will do neck movement basically. So for neck movement, first variation is inhale, look up. This is to make our joints flexible. Inhale, look up, exhale, look down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 3 rounds is enough. Now exhale, Twist your neck towards your right side. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Inhale center, last round. Exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Now the third variation is bring your chin to the chest. Start rotating in one direction. After completion of rotation in one direction, immediately it will be followed by rotation in another direction. So this will complete one round. In this process, observe your spine. What's happening in your spine? Just observe. Last round. Okay. Now you can stop practicing. The next Sukshma Vyayam we will be doing for our shoulder. The shoulder rotation we will be doing. So raise your both the arms at your shoulder level. Now turn your palm towards the sky. Touch your shoulder. Now join your both the elbows in front of your chest. Okay. Now start rotating. 5 rounds in clockwise direction and 5 rounds in anti-clockwise direction. Observe your spine. What's happening in your spine? Just observe, especially your lumbar spine and thoracic spine. After completion of 5 rounds, now rotate in reverse direction. Observe your spine. Now after completion of 5 rounds, you can stop. We did this Kriva Shakti Vikasak and the Skanshakti Vikasak to remove the stresses from our spine, to remove the stiffness and stresses. Because if you practice these two Shakti Vikasak Kriya, Sukshma Vyayam, you can observe our spine. The spine, the stiffness of our spine, the stress on our spine will be removed. That's why we have started with these two Shakti Vikasak Kriya. So now we'll be moving to our other activities. Now stand on your mat. We'll be starting the dynamic practices. People who are having heart issue, cardiac issue, please avoid. Who are having knee issue, please avoid the practice we are going to do right now. So right now we'll be starting with jogging. So jogging, these dynamic practices we'll be doing. This will improve your muscle tone. This will improve your leg muscles, especially the lower body will be developed. The strength of lower body will be increased. Strength and stamina both will be increased. So these dynamic practices are very important. So what we will do? Make a loose fist with the thumb inside. Place the fist on your chest. First step. Second step, start jogging on the same place. Start jogging on the same place. Your toes will be grounded. Only the up and downward movement of your heels will be there. Your toes will be grounded. Your toes will not be off the mat. It will be grounded. Now, the second step is lean forward and try to touch your hips with your heels. People who are having cardiac issue, please avoid. Do it for 20 rounds. Okay, now again spot jogging. Again spot jogging. Now lean backward and try to raise your knees up to your chest level. Okay, spot jogging again. Now try to raise your legs sidewise up to your elbow level. spot jogging. Again spot jogging. Now slowly stop. Slowly you can stop. Okay. Now do one thing. Make a gap of 3 to 4 feet between your legs. Place your both the palm on your thighs. Bend them forward. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Exhale forcefully all the air through your mouth. This is called Mukha. To relax in faster way, we are doing this Mukha. Now you can relax in Chitta Tadasana. 2 feet gap between your legs. Palms are 6 to 8 inches away from your body. Palm facing forward. Close your eyes. Observe the effect of jogging, especially in your lower part of your body. Observe your thigh muscles. Observe your calf muscles. The stiffness of your thigh muscles and calf muscles are gone. They are more active now. So by regular practicing this kind of dynamic practices, your thigh muscles and calf muscles, they will be toned and developed. Okay. Now get ready for Surya Namaskar. We'll be doing 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So Surya Namaskar is an effective practice. It is comprising of asanas. There are stretching, there are bending, movement, there are front bending, back bending, stretching, everything is there. So you can practice daily, you can practice 10 to 12 rounds of Surya Namaskar. They will tone your muscles. Okay. So we'll be doing 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Stand at the top of your mat. Legs together. Hands by the side of your body. Chest expanded. Shoulder brought back. Look straight. This is the base of all standing asanas. This is Samasthiti. Now, 1, Namaskar. 2, inhale, Hastottanasana. 3, Padavastasana. Exhale. Now 4, inhale, right leg back. Look up. Ashwasanchalan. Inhale. 5, exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg also back. Now hips up towards the sky. Head is rounded. 6, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale and exhale. 7, inhale, Bhujangasana. 8, exhale, Parvatasana. 9, inhale, right leg in between both the palms. 10, exhale, come back to Padahastasana. 11, inhale, come up to Hastottanasana. 12, Namaskar. Release your both the hands. Come to Samasthiti first. We'll be doing another 2 rounds. Now, during the practices of all the asanas in Surya Namaskar, please focus on your lower body. Okay. So, first Namaskar. 2, inhale, Hastottanasana. 3, exhale, Padahastasana. Keep your legs straight. Focus on the muscles of your entire leg. Don't bend your leg at your knee. Keep your legs straight and observe. 4, inhale, right leg back. Ashwasanchalan. Focus on the muscles of your thigh and calf. 5, exhale, Parvatasana. Again, focus on your calf muscle and thigh muscles. Focus on your heels or focus your entire feet. Focus the root of your thigh, the thigh muscles, calf muscles. Now next inhale and exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Next inhale Bhujangasana. Exhale Parvatasana. Focus on your muscles of your lower body. Now inhale, right leg in between both the palms. You can focus on your legs. Now exhale, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, come up to Hastottanasana. Arch and 12 Namaskar. Continue from there. Continue from there. Inhale Hastottanasana. Exhale Pada Hastasana. Focus on your leg muscles. Focus on your calf muscles. Inhale, right leg back. Ashwasanchalan. Focus on your lower body. Now next, exhale Parvatasana. Inhale and exhale Ashtanga Namaskar. Next inhale Bhujangasana. Next exhale Parvatasana. Next inhale, right leg in between both the palms. Ashwasanchalan. Next exhale Pada Hastasana. Keep your leg straight. Don't bend your leg at your knee. Keep your leg straight. Focus on the muscles of your legs and thighs. Inhale, come up to Uttanasana. And exhale, Namaste. After Namaste, very fast. Drop your both the hands by the side of your body. Both the legs are joined together. Now, relax in Shithila Dhanasana. You feel your feet in your legs. Palms are 6 to 8 inches away from your body. Close your eyes. Especially focus on the lower part of your body. Focus on your thigh muscle. Focus on your calf muscles. Observe the effect on the thigh muscles and calf muscles. The effect of Surya Namaskar. Just observe. And prepare yourself for the next asanas. The next asana we'll be doing is Virabhadrasana. So stand at the left of your mat. Stand at the left side of your mat. Now move your right leg away from your left leg. Turn your right toes towards your right side. Okay, now bend your right leg at your knee. So your thigh and your calf will be 90 degrees to each other. And this left leg will be 45 degrees. Okay. Now turn your upper body towards your right side. Now bring in both the hands above your head. Adap Namaskar. Stay there. Simply stay there. Now focus on the thigh muscles of both the legs. Focus on the calf muscles of both the legs. Observe what's happening. By the practice, you can clearly find the effect of this asana in your both calf and thigh muscles. By the practice of these asanas regularly, your thigh muscles and calf muscles will be toned up and will be developed and will be strengthened. The stamina will be increased. So to release this posture, exhale, drop your hands. Inhale, come up. Turn your toes forward. Now, join your both legs together. Now, go to the other side of the mat and do the same practice with the left side. So again, move your left leg away from your right leg. Turn your left toes towards your left side. Now bend your left leg at your knee. Now that's this calf and this thigh of your left leg will be 90 degrees to each other, and right leg will be at 45-degree angle. So turn your upper body towards your left side. Inhale. Bring your both the arms above your head at a Namaskar Mudra. Again, stay there. Again, focus your attention on the thigh muscles and calf muscles. You can clearly feel the effect. During the practice, you can feel that the thigh muscles and calf muscles are tightened. So, by the practice of this asana, your thigh muscles and your calf muscles, the strength of your thigh and calf muscles will be increased. The stamina will also be increased, muscle will be toned up. To release this posture, exhale, drop your hands, inhale, come up, turn your toes, now join your both the legs. Come to Samasthiti, then relax in Shukratadasana. I observe the effect of this Virabhadrasana in your lower body. That is, observe the effect of this asana in your calf muscle, thigh muscle. Now prepare yourself for the next asana. Now lie down on your back in Shavasana. Lie down on your back in Shavasana. Join both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Now, those who are having back pain, they should raise single leg at a time. Don't raise both the legs if you are having lower back pain. Okay. So inhale, raise the right leg up to 90 degrees. Exhale, down. Inhale, raise your left leg up to 90 degrees. Exhale, down. This is for the people who are having lower back pain. Now, if you are not having back pain, then you can do one asana. Two asana we'll be doing. Inhale, raise your both the legs up to 45 or 60 degrees and stay there. This is called Uttan Padasana. Stay there. So this asana will also increase the stamina, increase the strength of your thigh muscles and calf muscles. Also, it will work on your lower back muscle. It will develop your lower back also. Release this posture. Exhale, drop your both the legs. Again, we will do the asana. Again, raise both the legs up to 45 or 60 degrees and stay there. Observe your thigh muscles, calf muscles, the muscles of your lower back. Now inhale, raise your both the legs up to, bring your both the legs up to 90 degrees and stay there. Observe the muscles of your lower back. Now this asana is also working on the lower back muscles, thigh muscles, calf muscles. This is Ardha Halasana. You can practice this. Regular practicing of this asana will definitely increase the stamina or improve the muscle tone or strengthen your lower back muscle, thigh muscle and calf muscle. So to release this posture, exhale, drop your legs and relax in Shavasana. 3 to 4 feet gap between your legs. Palms are 6 to 8 inches away from your body, facing towards the sky. Close your eyes and observe the effect of both Uttan Padasana and Ardha Halasana in your thighs and calf muscle. Now join your both the legs together again. Hands by the side of your body. Okay. Now bend your both the legs at your knee. Both the heels will be closer to your hip. Now catch your right ankle joint with your right hand and left ankle joint with your left hand. Now, people who are having cervical pain, please avoid this asana. We are going to do Setu Bandhasana. Now, inhale, raise your upper body from your waist up to your shoulder, up. So both the legs will be parallel to each other. Both the calf muscle will be parallel to each other. Both the thighs will be parallel to each other. And calf muscles will be 90 degrees to the ground, perpendicular to the ground. Thighs will be parallel to each other. Observe the muscle of your thigh. Observe the effect of this asana on the muscles of your calf muscle. Also observe your lower back muscles. It will tone up your lower body's muscle of your lower body. It will increase the stamina and strength. Now to release this posture, exhale, drop your body on the ground. Stay there. We will do this asana again. So inhale, do the asana again. Raise your upper body starting from your waist up to your shoulder up. Now again focus on the muscles of your thigh and calf, also the lower body muscles, the muscles of your lower back. Exhale, drop your body on the ground. Now stretch your legs and relax in Shavasana. Observe the effect of Setu Bandhasana on the muscles of your lower body. By regular practicing of this asana will definitely increase the stamina, increase the strength of your muscles of lower body. Now turn towards your left side, lie down on your abdomen. Join your both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Now chin grounded. Make a loose fist with thumb inside. Place the right fist under your right thigh and left fist under your left thigh. Now inhale, raise your right leg up as much as you can. Ardha Shavasana. Observe your muscles of your thigh, calf, and lower back. It is working on these muscles. The regular practicing of this asana will improve the muscles of your lower back, thigh, and calf. Exhale, drop your leg. Now, inhale, raise your left leg up. Don't bend your leg at your knee. Again, observe the lower back muscles of your thigh and calf. Stay there. Exhale and drop your leg. And relax in Makarasana. Put your both feet can between your legs. Now place your forehead on the cushion made by placing one palm over the other. And observe the effect of Ardha Shavasana in the lower part of your body. The Ardha Shavasana and the Shavasana, our Purna Shavasana, both are effective for the development of our muscles of lower body. Now join your both the legs together. Hands by the side of your body. Now your forehead will be rounded. Again, bend your both the legs at your knee. Catch your right ankle joint with the right hand, left ankle joint with your left hand. Inhale first, raise your lower body up, then upper body up. Your body is looking like a bow now. Dhanurasana it is called. So again, observe your thigh muscles this time, especially your thigh muscles. Also observe the muscles of your lower back. By practicing Dhanurasana, your muscles of lower back will be improved. Strength and stability will be improved. Also the muscles of your thighs will be improved. Both the stamina and strength will be improved. Release this posture. Exhale. Drop your lower body, then upper body on the ground. Stay there. We will be repeating this asana again. Inhale, raise your lower body up, then upper body up. Your body will be balancing on your stomach. Again, focus on your muscles of lower back, muscles of your thighs. Exhale. Drop your lower body on the ground first, then upper body on the ground. Now stretch your both the legs. Release and stretch your both the legs. Both the hands by the side of your body. Forehead grounded. Now relax in Makarasana. 3 to 4 feet gap between your legs. Place your forehead on the cushion made by placing one arm over another. Relax and observe the effect of Dhanurasana in the muscles of your lower body, muscles of your thigh and calf. Observe your breath. Now join your buttocks together. Slowly turning towards any side. Simply lie down on Shavasana. Lie down on Shavasana. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. 3 to 4 feet gap between your legs. Palms are 6 to 8 inches away. Palm facing toward the sky. Close your eyes. And observe your breath. Observe the effect of today's yogic practices on your lower back, on your lower back, on your thighs, on your calf. Observe the effect of these practices on your muscles of your lower back, thigh muscles, calf muscles. Observe your entire lower body. Slowly shift your concentration towards the toes, ankle joint. Try to visualize those areas with your mental eyes and instruct the muscles of those areas to relax. Observe your calf muscle. Observe the effect of asanas or other yogic practices on your calf muscles. Try to visualize it normally with your mental eyes and mentally instruct the muscles to relax. Relax your thigh muscles. Relax your calf muscles. Now, focus on your knee joints. Relax. Focus on your thigh muscles and mentally instruct the thigh muscles to relax. The upper muscles of your thigh and the lower muscles of your thigh, both are relaxed. Now, focus on your pelvic region. Relax. For better relaxation of our lower part of our body, we'll chant one round of Akara. Inhale. Ah. Feel the vibration of akara in the lower part of your body. Feel the relaxation. Now slowly shift your concentration to the low middle part of your body. First, focus on your lower back. Observe the muscles of your lower back. Observe the effect of yogic practices on the muscles of your lower back. Try to visualize that area with your mental eyes and instruct those muscles to relax. Today they have worked a lot. Now it is the time to relax. So instruct those muscles to relax. With exhalation, collapse your entire body on the ground. Relaxes those muscles. Now relax your abdominal muscles. Focus on your chest muscles. Relax. Shoulder joint. Upper arm. Elbows. Forearm. Wrist. Palm. All the fingers one by one. Now your middle part of your body is relaxed. For better relaxation, we'll chant one round of Ukara. Inhale. Ooh. Observe the vibration produced due to chanting of Ukara. Observe the effect of this vibration in the middle part of your body, especially observe the effect, observe the relaxation in the muscles of your lower back. Now, slowly shift your concentration to the head region. Observe your neck, relax your neck muscles. This time your facial muscles is totally loosened, don't tighten them. Exhale and loosen your facial muscles and relax. Observe your eyeballs, relax. Eyelids, relax. Relax your forehead. Observe the back of your head and relax. For better relaxation of our head region, we'll chant one round of Makara. Inhale. Observe the vibration produced due to Makara in your head region. Observe the relaxation. Now quickly scan your entire body starting from your head to toe. We'll chant A U Makara together for relaxation of our entire body again. Inhale. We'll chant A U Makara at 1:1:2 ratio. Inhale. A U. Observe the vibration produced due to A U Makara in your entire body. The vibration produced due to Akara works or relaxes the muscles of our lower body. The Ukara or the vibration produced due to Ukara works on the middle part of our body, and the vibration of Makara will work on the head region. Observe the relaxation in your entire body. With every exhalation, feel relaxation. With every exhalation, throw out all the negativity, tensions, tiredness, stiffness away from your body. And with every inhalation, fill yourself up with all positivity, fresh energy. So energize yourself with every inhalation and feel relaxation with every exhalation. Now your body is completely relaxed. Observe your breath. Your breath is now much more stable, also slower than before. Observe the muscles of your lower body. They are also relaxed. Observe your back muscles. They are also relaxed. Now give little movement in your fingers and your toes. Join your both the legs together. Hands by the side of your body. Now turning towards any side. Slowly come to sitting position. Slowly come to sitting position. Sit in any asana. Sit in any comfortable meditative asana. Back straight, head neck in a single line. Keep your eyes closed. We'll do 2 pranayam. So first you do 3 rounds of Anulom Vilom. Adopt Chin Mudra in your left hand and Nasika Mudra with your right hand. First exhale, empty your lungs. Then you start Anulom Vilom. Close your right nostril. Inhale through left. And close your left nostril. Exhale through right. Now inhale through right. Close your right nostril. Exhale through left. So this is 1 round. Like that, do 2 more rounds. During the practice for long below, keep your back straight. And during the practice, please focus on your incoming breath and outgoing breath. Keep your back straight, head neck in a single line. Now, after completion of 3 rounds, observe the balanced flow of air in your both the nostril. And prepare yourself for the next pranayam, or the last pranayam of the day, that is Brahmali pranayam. So you can adapt Shanmukhi Mudra. Plug your both the ears with your thumb, index finger on your eyebrow, middle finger over your eyes, the ring finger by the side of your nostril, and the little finger by the side of your lips. Inhale. During exhalation, we will produce the humming sound of female honeybee. Inhale. Mm. Do 2 more rounds. After the completion of Brahmari practice, now observe the vibration produced due to Brahmari. You can feel the vibration of Brahmari practice in your entire body. That will help all the muscles to relax. The relaxation of our muscles are very necessary. It's very important. And if you properly notice the vibration produced due to Brahmari, you can feel the effect of Brahmari in your entire body. The muscles of your entire body will get relaxed. Now your mind is also much more relaxed, calm and stable. Maintain this for the rest of the day. We'll end this session here. Join both the palms together. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Ravi both the palms. Generate some heat. Apply this heat on your face, on your neck, on your shoulder, arms, chest, abdomen, on your back, on your thighs, legs, everywhere. Now, join the edge of your both the palms in front of your eyes. With few blinks, open your eyes, look at your palms. Namaste. Thank you for joining this session.